More than 75% of incidents in the shipping industry are caused by human error. Fully autonomous unmanned surface vehicles must be capable of dealing with high levels of uncertainty while completing complex maritime tasks in unknown environments. Many collision avoidance methods rely on global mapping for path planning and are computationally expensive, which is not ideal for performing in real-time scenarios. Provide a collision avoidance method that does not require global environment mapping, relying on reactive avoidance. Is suitable for low computing and power budgets while running in real time. Successfully avoid static obstacles in field of view. Calculates and optimizes avoidance angle and distance, making the approach more efficient and robust. This approach is validated in simulation experiments using robot operating systems. A path-following behavior is successfully demonstrated using a speed and heading adaptive sliding mode controller. Static obstacles on the desired path were successfully avoided and the USV returned to the desired path. Experimental results suggest that the proposed method is successful at avoiding static obstacles in the USVs field of view. The current limitation of the presented project is risk of being trapped by complex tight-knit environments with numerous obstacles, although the probability of encountering this type of environment in a real-life scenario is low. Future developments include real-life physical experimentation of the proposed method, complex environment avoidance behavior, and dynamic obstacle collision avoidance. For more information, feel free to send an email to the following addresses. A huge thank you to our sponsors,